Sanibonani makhosi amahle and to other football fans. Ngithembe ukuthi nikahle niyaphila. Welcome to Sporty Bongs. Ngaphambi kokuthi ngiqale, cela ningisize ngento kodwa. Please don't forget to like, subscribe. Subscribe ileke to the channel. Ungakhohlwa ukungishare like on the video. Kungawenza umkhulu umehluko. Futhi ngingabonga kakhulu. Danko. Asivele sihlala udabeni. Ubhuti lana Terry Spolzu. Yeah. Ngisaphila mfowami ngiyabonga nje ukubuza ukuthi kwenzakalani ngoba vele bengingasa-upload kakhulu but ngisesekhona ngisaphila. Thembe ukuthi la ukhona ukahle uyaphila. Nayi content ngilethile ke namuhla nayisolo ngi-uploadile. Let's get to indaba yanamuhla. We know very well ukuthi eSouth Africa when it comes to racism they don't play. It doesn't matter ukuthi wena you were joking or bekwenzakalani but once nje wakhuluma ngento ezofaka irace phakathi bayisukumela indaba yakhona. That's why we see EUDM making sure ukuthi they ask ukuthi ucoach Hugo Broos abe held accountable for ama remarks awashilo to Umbekezeli Mbokazi and also uBasia Michaels, the agent of Mbokazi, for the comment that he made, and I quote, he did say ukuthi Mbokezeli Mbokazi is a black guy, and I assure you ukuthi once he comes out of my office he will become a white guy. And lokho kwabanye akuhlalanga kahle because they think maybe kune racism phakathi, but I think ukuthi it is kind of like being blown out of proportion because he didn't mean it like that way, but because of the country that we are and in history sesibuya kwizimo enzima kabi, especially when it comes to ukucindezeleka. So indaba ye-race they don't take it lightly. That's why bafuna ukuyisukumela UDM, and also when it comes to sexism because we see ukuthi he did say ukuthi ku-agent Basia Michaels, and I quote ukuthi that little woman that is the agent of Umbekezeli Mbokazi thinks he knows football. Yabo, because manje seyihlala ngenye indlela, yabona manje sekunaleyo nto leyo ukuthi manje gender equality in so just because she's a woman doesn't mean ukuthi she doesn't know what she's doing. But akumelanga sihlale lapho kakhulu because one thing about uMadala Broos that I know for a fact ukuthi he's outspoken, and umuntu outspoken at some point might be seen as if he's arrogant, he's rude, because some of the comments, to be honest, that he makes are like harsh, because most uyayiqala siyithatha from a situation when he's criticizing Kaizer Chiefs. Many people, or let me say Kaizer Chiefs fans, abanandaba nokuthi maybe ama players wabo awekho ku squad, but don't criticize i-Chiefs ngendlela eharshly whereby ukuthi ukhuluma bad about the Kaizer Chiefs, but say it in a way that it is respectful ukuthi wonke umuntu angayithatha ibeke lento lena. But manje mozoba criticize ngale ndlela ayihlali kahle, and also that situation incident ka Jaden Adams and uFawaz Basadini ukuthi there's a way ukuthi ungabeka into without feeling like ukuthi there's disrespect in between those words that you are saying, but mele uyibeke ngendlela enestem. And we have to understand ezinye izinto vele singayibeka nje icace besobala njengezinqa zembuzi ukuthi uMadala Broos uyi-1K, and we know ukuthi ama-1K kanjani, especially for me ngithathe from abazali have this tendency ukuthi they are giving you a tough love. Angazi ukuthi le tough love beyijima phi baze balibona ukuthi li tough in order for you ukuthi bazokukhulisa ngendlela ukuthi once they say something at the back of your head you know ukuthi if ngiyayiphinda lento zongishubela ngizoba ngisenkingeni, and bona bayibona ngazathi they are instilling ifear kuwe ukuthi ungasayenzi lento le. But kuMadala I can say ukuthi if nje uhlale phansi kule situation lena ka Adams and also na kule situation ka Mbokazi, because he usematheni man with no Mbekezeli, I know that you are an exceptional talent, an incredible center back at your age. You are still young and you have a lot to achieve in life, and you have a huge ceiling. I understand the fact that you are taking another step in your career, even though I'm not pleased with the fact that you are going to play in USA at the MLS. But I don't know what the future holds, but I just hope this can be an opportunity for you to use as a stepping stone for your career so that it can reach greater heights, because maybe it can allow you ukuthi uzimakethe so that you can find yourself going to places like England, France, Belgium, Germany, those big leagues whereby ukuthi that's the level I think ukuthi uMbokozeli can reach. But ku-MLS nami vele indaba yaku-MLS soyabona nawe, because just because idlala uLionel Messi doesn't mean ukuthi i-league right leyana, because number one, there's no relegation, you are playing for vibes nje laphana. And for uMbekazi i-age sesayidini lakhe, he need ukuthi aye endaweni, but he could have said something positive ezomakha umfana and say ukuthi I understand ukuthi now izinto zizotshintsha in your career because you are coming out of your shell and you are moving out of a comfort zone. But going to such a league, it doesn't mean ukuthi now so we star. But one thing I'd like for you ukuthi uyenze, remain professional, because unprofessionalism, it is the one that determines ukuthi in terms of i-career yakho you humble ufike. So I just plead with you ukuthi ingaphinde yenzeke le mistake lena, and then we'll take it from there. Let's continue working hard, making sure ukuthi we get you in a better shape ukuthi uyofacea nama big guns we-AFCON. But the way ayibe yangakhona vele, we can say, and manje asisafaka ukuthi wena u-Favorites, because I know ukuthi ama-comments sewahleli alinde nje ukuthi nibhavumule nisho ukuthi when it was i-Kaizer Chiefs bekumnandi, it was fun, but ngoba umbhobho, so no, two wrongs don't make it right bafethu, kumele silungise, because lento lena it will overshadow umsebenzi omuhle uHugo Broos that has done for our country. Sithanda singathandi, but umsebenzi uwenzile kuyabonakala manje. Siqualify ku-World Cup, saqualify futhi for another AFCON back to back. So it simply means ukuthi iSpani siyashaywa, into eseyisele nje ukuthi masingayiwini AFCON and then sibheke ukuthi ku-World Cup saba kanjani. But lento lena vele yona ayihlalanga kahle bafethu in terms of indaba ze-racism and nokuthi nobu-sexist phakathi. Hopefully ukuthi uMadala will realize and will change his ways in terms of how he speaks, because obviously the way angakhona, he's very direct, doesn't sugarcoat things, but kunendlela okhuluma ngayo. But who am I ukuthi ngamtshela ukuthi ayenzeni? Because for the fact ukuthi sadalwa ngendlela ehlukile, we have different ways of doing things and ways of thinking, and we have different choices. That's what makes us different. Njoba sisho isinto ukuthi indoda nendoda iyophiliswa zinqumo zayo, iphinde ibulawe izinqumo zayo. So kusho kona ukuthi uMadala Broos, if it doesn't change his ways, kusazomshubela, because iqale ngayo South African Football Players Union, iSAFU, calling him out ukuthi no, the comments that you made ngoJayden Adams and uFawaz Basaid ngekho sharp. It's just nje ukuthi manje if isizosebenzisa iclubism kuma situations ana kanje, angeke sibe nayo inqubekela phambili, because that's what we want as a nation. So ngasho nje ukuthi let's hope ukuthi uMadala uzochange, because we know very well ukuthi what you are not changing simply means you are choosing, and if you are choosing bad, you will suffer the consequences. Let's talk about ama-coaches, because obviously i-list izoba khona ama-candidate for Kaizer Chiefs coaches that are keen ukuthi bangathatha that coaching position, head coaching position from Khalil Ben Yusuf and Cedric Gaza. But have to know with the decision that will be taken to hire a coach, it is a decision that will make us see ukuthi the coach that they will hire aligns with the modern football, the one that uKaizer Juna Mtaung said ukuthi they are looking for a coach that aligns with that, who knows what football has evolved, that can come in hand and help the team reach greater height. So we have a coach lana, as reported by a Soccer Beat, ukuthi Raul Perez Caneda is one that seems like with Kaizer Chiefs have renewed their interest in trying to bring him and Churena, because I remember there were once links ukuthi angeze noChurena, especially on that time whereby ukuthi Kaizer Chiefs was looking for a coach after indaba yaka indaba yapho lapha yana umuntu Lefenteki before kuzo appointwa ucoach Nasreddin Nabi. so uke kwaba khona ama-links but things didn't materialize. But now also the interest have been renewed. It simply means ukuthi Kaizer Chiefs are looking ukuthi they can bring him Enechuren, but it depends ukuthi is he keen on the project, because we know very well good Kaizer Chiefs are looking for a coach that is gonna instill a philosophy that is going to help the club perform, get results, and make sure ukuthi there's a continuity ukuthi even if that coach leaves the club, they know ukuthi the one that will come after him will also make sure ukuthi he has a blueprint. But now coach Raul Caneda is coaching a team there at China, Hong Kong, for the China Super League. It is called Zhejiang Greentown FC. Lapho ke he is coaching that team, and mothi uyabheka i-track record ka-coach Raul Perez Caneda iyaveza laphana ukuthi he did coach ama-teams amakhulu, especially from the Gulf, because he did coach Salal SC, of which I'd say ukuthi is one team that he stayed most of the time. He stayed longer than expected because he managed to coach 38 matches. So it simply means ukuthi akusumuntu ohlala kakhulu eklabhini, because I don't know ukuthi kusuke kwenzakalani, maybe ngokuhamba kwesikhathi basuke bangasabambisani, kungasahambisani ukuthi no akusinto eningithembise yona le, or maybe ama-results asuke awaproduce kusuke ngasilawo that are desired by that team esuke im-appointile as the head coach, because he coached Al Ittihad, he coached Al Nassr, he was an assistant manager of a Real Sociedad that is in Spain. Which other club did he coach engazathi isezingeni eliphezulu? Yeah, those three. And mothi uyabheka even nako Al Nassr uqale wacoacha 18 matches wabuya wacoacha 11 matches, so it's a total of 29 matches. So uyabona ukuthi is he the kind of a coach ongathatha amathemba wakho wabeke kuye because he's a renowned coach, or is a coach ukuthi uzofika ashaya isipani makabona ngazathi manje ngathi kuyabheda la ngengilunge aterminate contract? Because he does have UEFA Pro license, of which it does allow him ukuthi angacoacha i-Kaizer Chiefs, because mawuna leyo qualification simply means ukuthi isitori sakho uyasazi, yabo, usho ukuthi isitori sakho uyasazi. But mawuthi uyabheka the number of matches that azithola wacoachile in a club awagculisi, because akusumuntu ongasho ukuthi umuntu othanda ama-project alent, but it will depend ukuthi what is the proposal from Kaizer Chiefs, yini engamenza ukuthi at least babambisane, because we know for a fact ukuthi uKhaze no-Khalil Ben Yusuf they won't stay long, bebashilo ukuthi sobanika up until the season. So kule sikhathi ababanike sona, it's all about them proving themselves ukuthi are they ready to being the head coaches. But if they fail, there's a plan B ukuthi they will bring in and rob another coach so that can assist ukuthi Chiefs. But manje enye into engabuye ibakhahlela ukuthi i-budget, because they've tried ukuthi bayichange izinto when they've appointed ucoach Nasreddin Nabi, because it was the first time bavumela ucoach as in a technical team yakhe, and obviously we know ukuthi the cost ukuthi bacelile ephaketheni. So it's all about that ukuthi bazowenza njani. Maybe they can try and find ukuthi as in if it happens can you come uzo assista ama coaches wethu ayi-2, but you know ukuthi emsebenzini wamanje obu-head coach it's like it's a trend. Ucoach no coach uhamba ne-technical team yakhe, it's like i-security ne-donkeypire no-over azihlukani, into ethe ayibe kanjalo. But if it happens ukuthi Kaizer Chiefs they see ukuthi he is fit to coach, because mawumbheka yena vele you can see ukuthi hayi angazi ngolimi lamanje they say ukuthi it is aura, unayo leyo nto leyo ukuthi no he is capable of doing big things, he is able to make the pods that is able to do the things that make the pods to be undeterred, izinto ezina kanjalo. But mawuthi uyambheka nje yena uyambona ukuthi he is capable. But ngithe mangibheka lapha ukuthi his favorable formation is 3-4-2-1, simply means ukuthi Kaizer Chiefs kumele idlale ngama wing backs. Kulapho ke uMashiyane ajabula khona ukuthi no ngazathi lingidele lakithi manje, but nothing is confirmed yet. As I'm saying ukuthi they've renewed their interest, so if it happens ukuthi they sign him they appoint him to be the head coach. There are things that we must be able ukuthi sizibheke, the good ones and the bad ones, so that we know ukuthi sizifaka, because asifuni uyozithola sekuthi akucoshwe abo coach because of this and that, because we know ourselves ukuthi kusinjani. When we appointed uNabi, we thought ukuthi hayi soshaya kwasana, nathi masupporter besingasekho safe, but nako wahamba kabuhlungu ngendlela besingayinakanga. So we must prepare ourselves and brace ourselves for the good and for the bad, because that is football. Yabona. So all I can say ukuthi no matter what, noma kungenzakalani, ungakhohlwa ukuthi ikhosi aliphilimo.